Hello and welcome to this StromLearn video where we're going to be looking at solving tree diagram problems without replacement. Okay, so there are 6 pens in a box, 4 are black and the rest are blue. 2 pens are removed. Find the probability that various things happen. So this looks very similar to the example that I used in the last video. The only difference is that it does not say 1 pen is looked at and then replaced, so just 2 are removed. Now when we're looking at probability, it doesn't make any difference if we removed 2 pens simultaneously or consecutively, so 2 together or 1 after the other. It doesn't change the probabilities in any way. So the structure of our tree diagram to begin with is going to look very similar to the last example. So my first pen can be black, it can be blue. There are 6 pens and 4 are black, and therefore that leaves 2 to be blue. So far same as before. However, the next bit is going to be different when we come to look at the probabilities. So I can still get a black or a blue pen with the second one. And I've got my second pen here. But the probabilities are going to be different because I've taken a pen. So there's not 6 left, now there's only 5 left. So these are going to be probabilities out of 5. Now the numerators are changing as well. So if I look at my first one, so if I took a black pen the first time, then there's not 4 black pens left, there's only 3 left. But I didn't take a blue pen, so there are still 2 blue pens left. Now the set of branches below show what happens if we took a blue pen the first time. So if we took a blue pen the first time, all 4 black pens are still there, but there's only 1 blue pen left. Now what I'm going to do is at the end of each way through, each route through, I'm just going to record the options that are here. Now it's more handy if they are different letters. Maybe I should have done green and yellow, would have saved me having to write that whole word out each time. And like we did in the last video, we multiply when we look along the branches. So the denominators will always be 30 because I'm always doing something over 6 times something over 5. Okay, and there we go. So now let's look at answering the questions. So find the probability 2 black are chosen. So black then black, that was 12 out of 30. B, black then blue, that's 8 out of 30. 1 black and 1 blue, well that can be done in 2 different ways. So black blue plus blue black. And then finally, both the same is black black or blue blue, which then gives me 14 out of 30, and there we go. So really just one difference from the way that we did it in the last video, and that is that the set of branches for the second pen that's removed are different from those of the first. Alright, so here are some questions for you to have a go at. And here are the answers.